Have you ever been playing with Lego and thought, I want to eat that? I don't know who said that, but whoever said that came up with candy blocks. The candy you can play with. Build them and eat them. 3 great flavors, 3 different sizes. Assorted fruit flavors, artificially flavored. I am filming this with an iPod Touch. So, yeah. This was $6 at my local shop. I don't know what you call that. It's expensive. Comes in cherry, blueberry, and banana. Out of focus. It's made by Concord Confections, which is a subsidiary of Tootsie Roll. There's nutrition facts to see how fat we'll get it from eating these. Yeah, and here's a supposed snake you can make. So, yeah, and I got this box, and flap opens, candy blocks, same thing, and it just has a whole bunch of creations you can build with the amount of pieces and such. There's a duck. So I've opened these up already, I've tasted them before, just because I had friends when I had them. Oh, one fell out. Okay, let's get the box out. There we go. Just angle the camera down. Okay, and we're back. Just had to angle the camera down because of this tripod. Just good for that packaging. So, 3 types of candy. We have banana. We have blueberry. And we have cherry, but we don't have any cherry. 6 pieces. Good job. So pretty much, they do exactly what Lego would do, just crappier, which is stick together. Now, do they taste good? From my experience, kind of good. They taste like a sugary candy. Let's try it. Blueberry tastes like... they're quite like a gobstopper texture. Blueberry tastes like regular blueberry. Now let's try a cherry, which I'm guessing will taste like artificial cherry, even though I've tried them. I can't remember. Yep, artificial cherry. And banana, which you can build things with banana, like any of them. Ooh. And banana. Just finishing that last blueberry. I'm not even going to eat banana. It tastes like artificial banana. Some things I like, some things I don't like. This is not one of them. So, what can we build? The big part, since it's a fake Lego. Well, I know we have the parts for, I hope. Yeah, I think we have the parts for the giraffe. So, let's build it. One last piece. One last piece. There we go. So, that is supposedly the giraffe. He's been doing a bit of weed. He has red eyes because I ran out of yellow 2 block pieces. Now, want to see how well they are together? Yeah. This yellow broke while building it, and even took one of the reds, I don't know, little chip things with it. And it leaves a whole lot of dust. They don't hold, and there's a phone ringing, but it's a whole lot of crap. How many Legos can I break at once? How many Legos can I break? Take one down, break it around. How many Legos can I break? That many.